Painting and Decorating Show 2025. Now, plenty of times you've seen Maverick on my YouTube channel, Painting Doris the Door. We spoke to Christina back in June.
Yeah.
June earlier this year, and she demoed and talked and spoke about the products that they do. And I'm back at the Painting and Decorating Show. Christina's here, and we've got a new product that she wants to show us that I thought was very beneficial to the painter and decorator. And it's all to do with wallpaper stripping and, well, wallpaper cutting. So I'm going to swivel the camera around. You'll know who I'm on about when you see her, because very pretty girl. Yeah, she's gone colour to come up like it does with me. And just tell us about the product. And it's the product launch day. Was it yesterday or today?
Well, yesterday, technically.
Hello, Christina.
Hello. So, yeah, technically yesterday was the launch day. So, we now have two sizes. So we have a 300mm and a 240 of the scrapers. We've had these knives tested, so they're going to last a long time. They're super sharp, one of the sharpest on the market. So yeah, we've now launched these.
And the idea of these is, and I'll help you on this as a professional painter and decorator, for me, and I'm going to come over to these, if you can just quickly lift the lid. When people ask me, how do you strip wallpaper efficiently, quickly, particularly when we're talking about wood chip wallpapers and anaglyptas and duplex papers, which are quite thick.
Yeah.
I'm going to say particularly once they've got a lot of paper on them. A steamer does work, but you need to take the face of that paper off. And these wallpaper stripping knives are ideal for it. So you've got a blade that is universal, that swivels round.
Yeah.
It can be used also in a scraper
for
windows.
Yeah.
But you've got the two different lengths, so you can tell us a little bit more. Where do you get it from if you want to buy it?
If you want to buy these are available in over 240 Dulux stores. So every Dulux has them. They're all core lines. So everyone has stock. They don't allow the stock to run down. So that's where you can get them. You can also find them online possibly. But yeah, every Dulux has these at the moment.
Yeah. And just panning back, I don't know, over your shoulder, the shears as well. Is that a new line that you just suddenly bought? Do you want to cover that back up just so nobody...
And also the knives.
Because that's quite a sharp blade, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a dummy blade, don't worry. It's a dummy blade.
Yeah.
So we've got the shears.
So all the tools that you see on here now are everything is a core line in Dulux. So every Dulux store has all of it. So we've got the new 18mm Maverick knife. We've got the 9mm Maverick knife. Now, these really are the sharpest blade on the market at the moment. We've had it tested, and it's passed all the tests, and it's passed it further than other UK leaders.
Yeah, all the ones that you probably know of. Yeah.
So it is definitely the sharpest on the market at the moment. And then we've got the scrapers, and then we've got the shears. We've got a 12-inch, 10-inch. They cut through fabric like butter.
There was some really jokes in that one, which you suddenly skipped over because... Yeah. They look really interesting to get my hands on, because a 10-inch and a 12-inch is probably about right for me.
You're not used to that size.
No. Right. Let's talk about... So you've got 1 inches and inch and halves and 2 inch brushes.
These are the sizes we've had for the past 2 years. And now, as of this past month, we have now got the 1.5 to 2.5 in the angled long handle.
Yeah.
And then with the Maverick S series, which has been a super popular brush, we now have the angled version of them. They do not come in a long handle, and that's because, as you can see, it's already quite a long handle anyway. But now we have 4 sizes in the angles, which are now available.
And as people know on the channel, I have used these. These are really nice, both of them. It's a case of don't just buy one, buy them both, because they both have their place.
Yeah, they both have it.
And the S.
Yeah, this is more for your finesse work, and this is more for... you can use it for emulsion and stuff like that. You might want to use it as a better quality brush for yourself. But yeah, that one is...
See, I find the S series nice for finishing off on woodwork.
It is really, really good for that. That's what I'm hearing.
Applying paint, if you want to get a lot of paint all
Yeah.
in one go, probably the X, or a heavier paint's probably more suited to the X, but
Yeah.
for the finishing, we're finding the S series is really nice.
Yeah.
But all in all, from what I've tried, and thank you very much to you and Maverick, I will say that everything has been spot on.
Yeah, perfect.
So I expect the scrapers and the
Yeah.
shears to be exactly the same
No,
for the build quality.
disappointed at all.
Good. Thank you for talking to me again.
problem.
More than likely, I
Pleasure.
will see you at the shows next year.
Yes, you will.
But if anybody is looking, please look in that right-hand side or left-hand side of the corner for me, right-hand side for you, and check out the other videos that we've spoke about the Maverick products. So thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you.